All right, exciting times. Got another water filter. So we got a 3-stage water filter for underneath the sink. So the other day we installed the 2 water filter, the Geek Pure water filter. So this was the sediment filter and the carbon filter. And now we picked up a nice little under sink water filter and the little tap. So we're gonna have to drill through the granite countertop. That should be exciting. All right, Rosie and I are going to be installing this underwater filter. So it's a 3-stage system. So you're going to follow along for the ride. First things first though, we got to clean out underneath the sink here. We're going to move everything aside. And we also got to drill a hole for the new tap. So, just today we got delivered our bits. Here they are. These are diamond drill bits to drill through the granite countertops. So we're going to be marking the countertop and we're going to be drilling it. I believe it's 1/2 inch, maybe 5/16. So we got a number of diamond bits here, and I'll leave a link in the description below for these guys. We're going to drill through the countertops. That'll be a bit scary, and we'll install this thing. So let's do it. All right, so then put it on its angle. All right, we're switching out from the little guns to the big guns. You guys gone? We're going with this guy. Okay, so we got a drill bit. We're gonna drill out the wax. We're just going to hold on to it with our pair of pliers here. That was a pain. Oh, I got to get this plug out. There it is there, a little granite plug. Okay. Made it through. I should have done this at the beginning. We put it on the hammer. That helped out a lot. Alright, so the diamond drill bits that did come through. I do recommend kind of drilling out the wax maybe before you get started. That would be helpful. So we got our hole right there. You can see the light of day. Alright, now we're just going to do all the plumbing part. Easy, right? Okay, inside the kit here, it comes with some 1/4 inch or 3/8 pipe. So we're going to use this. We're going to put everything on underneath, slide this up, connect the top piece, and then put her down. Alright, I made a little boo-boo there, so that was the big one. This one connects to the T-valve. Missed it. There's a small one that you can connect first. So pop that off. Makes sense. So this can go on here now. Bammo. And then I can feed it down or feed it up, right? Okay, now we're gonna work on down below. So down under we go. It's looking good though, hey? Is that a cover photo? All right, for mounting this, it comes with 2 screws. I'm gonna maybe need a pen, and I like having a small little drill to get in here. If you have one of those little right angles, that would be great. I'm gonna put that in pretty deep, and we're gonna put the first screw in maybe without this. So All right, so we are going to tap into the cold water with this little tiny line, 1/4 inch line or whatever it is. So they gave us this T, and it does come with a fitting on both sides. I'm hoping that this will tap right in, you can barely see it, right back here into this. So I'm going to unscrew that. We're going to try screwing this down, screwing that back up to the top, and putting our guy in there. If that doesn't work, then we can just cut into one of these guys and tee off. So first things first, down here and somewhere on your system, you're gonna have a shut off. So I have one right there. So that, shut that off. I've also got a shut off right here. And I've also got a shut off right here. So that's gonna stop any water coming back at me. I'm gonna just unplug this guy and unplug that guy. So those are both unplugged. That was my carburetor. Carburetor's on the top. And now I'm just going to maybe shut the hot off there too, just because I can. Okay, there we go. Hot's off. And I'll turn the faucet up just so the air bubbles come out. Here. There we go. Now, I'm going to try to unscrew that up there. All right, so that was exciting. So the water filter's in. We're just gonna mount it, clean everything up, and a job well done. So there you have it, the tankless water filtration system installed under the sink. And then up top, that's the box that it came in. Did come with actually some good instructions. And we did use a diamond drill bit set to get through the granite countertop. And we're up and running. And so hopefully we get years of use out of that. All right, thanks so much for watching.